Hi everyone, it's Mr. Davis here with some Year 1 phonics and reading help. I'm going to talk you through some different activities that you can do with your child to help them going from individual sounds to whole words. So first of all, here's our set 1 phonic sounds. I'm just going to say all of them now in order, and that'll help you with pronunciation. My pronunciation is slightly different because I have a Northern English accent. A, S, D, T, I, N, P, G, A, K, K, A, B, F, E, L, H, Sh, R, J, V, Y, W, F, Z, Ch, Q, X, Ng, Nk. Okay, so these are your set 1 words that children need to know, and these are CVC words. So the little dots underneath are called sound buttons, and they show children what sound they should be making. So to help children with this sheet, what you can do is write the word on a piece of paper. I'm going to use my whiteboard. So G, A, and I do the sound buttons underneath. Okay, and then what you can do is, as you get the child to read the word, you touch the sound buttons. So for this word would be G, A, P, gap. Okay, if they are still struggling with that, I'll do it with the next word, pan, P, A, N. What you can do is when they're sounding them out, just give them a clue for that first sound, the initial sound, because that can be difficult for some children. So P, A, N, pan, like that. Okay, so these are set 1 CVC words. They're called CVC words because this is a consonant and then a vowel, then another consonant. As well as CVC words, children will also have to use 2-letter sounds called digraphs. So with these sounds, so if I'm using wing, we use the sound buttons again. So W and I. But for 2 letters that work together to make a sound, you underline it. And the children should be learning this sound separately. So not an N and a G, but together. So if we use our sounds now, W, I, Ng, wing. Okay? Or if I show you thick, I, K. Again, you can see that I've underlined these digraphs, and then you can use your sounds. I, K, thick, like that. Another activity we can do is using Play-Doh or clay to form words to help children connect with the words. So here I've got some pre-rolled Play-Doh, and one thing we can do is we can just shape the word on top. Okay, so obviously this doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just shaping the different sounds, okay? And then children get used to making the letters, and then as you'll see, it'll also help blending, okay? So I'm just doing this really roughly and quickly for cat. Okay, and then again, you can get the children to use their sounds. K, A, T, cat. Another thing you can do is you can also use the Play-Doh to be like a sound button. So similar to when they are blending words together, you can get children to physically push the buttons. So for this one, it would be F, A, N, fan. Hope that helps.